Hi everyone, it's Beck Smith here, the DIY Marketing Trailblazer. Today I want to share with you the number one most important thing you need to do first after setting up a new website or before planning to revamp an existing website. It never ceases to amaze me how many people are willing to spend thousands and thousands of dollars on redeveloping websites and hours of their time, yet they fail to implement this one simple action. In my experience, probably 9 out of 10 small business owners fail on this one single point, and it has a huge impact on your success online. So what is this most important single action? Google Analytics. You absolutely must set up Google Analytics on your website as a priority. In order to improve your online performance, you need to know where you are first. Where are you at now? How's your website currently performing? What's working and what isn't? Now, I'm not going to go into detail today explaining how you set up Google Analytics on your website, but if you do need help with this, you can get in touch with me at goldkeymarketing.com.au or watch one of the many YouTube videos that are out there. But you need to get it happening. So why is Google Analytics so critical to your website's success? It is one of the most popular digital analytical tools available. It's a free service by Google, and it allows you to analyze in depth the visitors to your website. So all kinds of details about those visitors to your website. It helps you understand how many visitors you're getting over time, who they are and where they're from, whether they're new or whether they've been previous visitors to your website. What is the source of your visitor traffic? So are they organic, which means that you're getting visitors through great search ranking, or is it through pay-per-click advertising like Google Ads, or is it from your social media pages, or maybe there's third-party referral websites that you've got links to and they're generating some great traffic for you. You need to find out how long people are actually staying on your various pages of your website and also how many pages they're viewing. You might remember from a previous video that I've done how important these factors are to the Google ranking algorithm. So you will rank higher in search results if your website visitors stay longer on your website and they look at or view more of your website pages. There's so many advanced functions as well in Google Analytics. I'm not going to go into them all just now, but conversion tracking is one example where you can find out the details about visitors who carried out certain actions on your website, such as filling in forms, watching videos, visiting certain pages, those kind of actions. If you understand the factors that led to those desirable conversions, it means you can adjust your website in a way to ensure even higher occurrences of these conversions. There's so much valuable data that you can get through Google Analytics to improve your website performance over time. I cannot emphasize this enough. So, what's the first thing you're going to do once you finish watching this video? Don't waste another day living in the dark about how your website is performing. Get Google Analytics set up straight away. Thanks again for watching. I'd love to hear how you go in setting up Google Analytics for your website and also the amazing data that you uncover about your website. So keep me posted in the comments and take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.